Hey guys, it's Trippy, welcome to the video. Today myself and Connor went on a proper big mission on the OneWheel. I'm not sure about Connor, but this is the longest ride I think I've ever done. Borderline killed the battery just from travelling. Normally we try and kill it just because we've got time to kill and we want to wear the battery down as much as possible, but I think by the time we got to our destination I was on about 18%, so it was a pretty good day for it. The original plan was to go from a place called Portreath all the way to Bisso, which is a really long cycling path. But we'd only covered about 10 minutes of it, and because the trail was quite rough and a bit muddy and slushy in some places, we decided to turn back and go to another place close to Portreath called North Cliffs, and then basically do that walking trail all the way down to Godrevy. So it was a really long ride. I probably cut out some of it just because a lot of it is just just riding along, just doing our thing, but hopefully it still makes for a good video. We got some good view along the cliffs along the way, especially at Hell's Mouth. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and I'll catch you on the next one. Oh, and I just wanted to point out this guy. Say we're still in Portreath at the minute. This is before we decided to go in the other direction. But as we go past him, he noticed us, and actually, when we stopped up the road, he came running up to us, and we thought we were going to be in trouble. But he was absolutely fascinated by the OneWheel, wondering what they were, because he does a lot of running. He was telling us, and used to be big into mountain biking, but now he's looking for something a bit more kind of simple and less taxing, I guess. So that was the perfect thing for him. He was a little bit put off the price, which is understandable, but. I always like it when people are sort of interested and stop us to ask questions. I'm sure if you guys are watching this as fellow one-wheel riders that you get stopped quite often. I'm going to include another clip as well where you get stopped again by people just curious as to what it is. But I think the questions I always get asked is what is it, how far does it go, and how fast can you go? But yeah, it's nice to stop every now and again. But yeah, just thought I'd include that part as well. Yeah, guys. Electric skateboard.
How long does the battery last?
It'll probably take you, depending on the terrain, if you want to just tarmac. Yeah, probably about 30 miles.
Oh. 1-3?
Yeah. The new one they've got coming out in a month or two lasts about 25 miles. It's a bit lumpier, but yeah, it's a bit of a lump.
Yeah, but it's not bad.
When you're on it, yeah, when it runs out of battery, it's just
yeah, that's true.
Have a good day, guys.
Yeah, you too.
Mine does, yeah. But this morning I know every other time it's been 100, but today I noticed it was 99. Oh, I got a twig stuck in my fender. Is that gone? Is it?
No, that's not good.
Oh, is it gone inside?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh yeah.
That's where your little cable jack is.
Oh, that's really in there. Can you hold that a second?
So that's where it goes into your battery there. You should film this.
It's recording, I think. I'll snap it maybe. Oh, there we go. Little bastard. Do you think there's any damage? It's only a stick. Oh. Thank you.
Oh look, you got the wet footprints.
Oh shit. So just skipping forward to when we arrived at North Cliffs now, it was incredibly windy to the point where when we were on the path it was blowing us onto the grass. Thankfully there's enough of a gap between the grass and the actual cliff so you're not going to get blown off, but it did feel like that sometimes. But yeah, just unfortunately another video where I'm going to have to turn down most of the sound because of the wind. Hopefully next time we go out it'll calm down a little bit, but yeah, it's going to be another music job I think. Godrevy Lighthouse. Almost there, final stretch. Oh, my legs are going to sleep. Whew. My legs are going numb. This is always the best bit, whether you're on bike or on OneWheel, I think. It's like you pass the hard part and onto the grass. I like it when the dirt kicks up on the back of it.